resting in awareness, and today this stillness in motion. So what I would recommend is that if one of those particular practices you resonate with a lot, it may be useful to really just go with that for the whole 2 days, just to really go a bit deeper into it. If there's not one in particular that really grabs you, it may be useful to sort of just go through the sequence again, just to become a bit more familiar with each one. So maybe starting with the breath, moving to the mind, moving to awareness, and so forth. So what I wouldn't probably recommend is from one session to the next just keep changing. That's probably not going to be effective use of time. So either again just really focus on one the whole time, or maybe go through a sequence, or you may want, for example, this stillness in motion, you may like to work with awareness for half a day, observing the mind, and then, or a day, and then the second day on the basis of awareness, then observe the mind, stillness in motion. So you can choose a little bit there. And then one other thing, and then Yao's going to talk more about that. Tomorrow morning, there's going to be some workmen here in these 2 rooms, so it's going to be pretty noisy. So what they've done is they've given us another location, which I've seen already, looks actually quite nice. Just about 5 minutes walk over this way. So the sessions before breakfast will be the same in the yoga there and here, because I think they're only starting after breakfast, 9 o'clock or something. But the 2 sessions in the morning before between breakfast and lunch, we're going to be doing this room just down, it's 5 minutes away. And I think for that, do we have enough of the big cushions extra outside, or do we have to take some of these?
We have enough.
We have enough? The same number outside?
The big one, yeah.
The same number as in here?
Yeah, I think so. I will make sure.
Yeah, because we've got, 12 or 4, 2, 3, 4, I think it's about 12 cushions here.
Okay, I will make
12?
sure.
3, 12 of the big ones? Yeah, I think so. 6 rows, or maybe 5, is it? 6. So 12, we need 12.
Yeah.
But I think you'll need to bring your small cushions, and there'll be chairs down there, so that's fine. And was there something else I wanted to mention about that?
For the equipment?
Oh, yeah, so the equipment, we can leave that. I think you have something. Yeah, and otherwise I can just speak a bit more loud. We'll need to, of course, bring the camera, but then the rest...
In your chair?
No, I'll just sit in a chair down there, that's fine. We don't need to bring any of this stuff. Actually, so that's all I wanted to mention, so I'll hand over to Yael. I think she wants to... so that'll be just the 2 morning sessions till lunch, and then they'll be finished here by lunchtime, and then the afternoon we'll be back in here again. Okay? So that's enough for me, and then...
We can wait for you to, after you leave, it's okay.
Okay. You want to get rid of me?
No, I don't want to
Okay, yeah, I'll go.
put you through the logistics.
Are we going to do compassion practice tomorrow as well?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so I'll talk about that in this evening session, what the program is for